This is the controller. Now we are about to install it. So let me show you. I'll show you how to connect it. So as you can see, the green terminal or all the sockets are uniquely different design. If you're not going to plug it, it is not on the proper location or position, since the profile of the socket has a different shape or design. So you cannot be misled. You just follow where the socket will connect. So that is how easy it is to fix the controller.
Tornilyo nito. Not ito. Done.
Okay, now so we are about to install the controller pump. So we have to remove the back lid cover in order for us to access the controller pump. Using the input wrench, easily we can disconnect it from the bolts connecting the steering the controller.
That's true, Pops.
Okay, so this is the new controller pump. It mentioned PC200-8. Okay, so it is made in Japan, new one. We are about to install it. Okay, so in a few minutes time you can see that this unit has been installed, and we are going to start this excavator. So as you can see, there are two connectors there below. It has a quick release connector. Okay, so we have to plug all the 4 bolts during the this is the engine ECU. So as I said a couple of while ago, that we are going to replace full set of the ECUs, which are the controller monitor, controller hydraulics, and the engine ECU. The reason why we replace this electronic ECUs, it is due to electrical failure. The monitor displays ECU lock, and the engine is not starting. We suspected that due to wrong polarity, they installed the battery before during servicing, but it might be they have installed the battery wrongly. Means the battery has been installed in wrong polarity. Instead of negative, it was installed positive. Instead of positive, it was installed negative. So it affects all the engine ECU when they when they turn on the engine, and the battery has been wrongly connected. So it can damage internal components of the electronic system. A while ago, you can see that if the engine or the whole system will going to work as normal as before after installing all the electronic ECUs. So as you can see, so we have here the ECU, the controller. This is the controller unit, new unit, and this is for controller pump. And the other one is for the engine ECU. So 3 new ECU we are going to install. Okay, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and continuation of this video we'll be able to see if this unit will be able to restart again. Okay, so this is a Komatsu EC20, and this unit is not working or not starting due to faulty ECU. So we have ordered parts from China and it arrives. Now we are going to install the unit. So we are about to install the monitor and the ECU and the other controller. So as you see here, the monitor has been removed and we are about to install a new one. This unit has been stuck for quite some time now due to faulty computer ECU. See after we install the computer if the unit starts to work again, and we'll see how it will perform. This unit has been stuck for a couple of months now due to that computer only the old ECU doesn't have, it's not cranking. When you look at the display, the main controller has been locked. Okay, so watch out for the continuation of this video. Okay, now we install the ECU, controller and monitor, and we are about to start. So we turn on the ignition. Okay, see here, the display is all working well. I hope you can see. Okay, so there is no error, no
Not at all. Oil. Coolants. Indications. Total.
Now we are about to start the engine. What we are doing is we are checking all the configuration and checking all the parameters.
Wiring. Like normally. ventilation, damper abnormal. Ventilation damper abnormal. Ventilation damper abnormal. Right. Try to delete